Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming capability and firmware, then put the accessory into pairing mode. This is critical because many failures come from outdated software or inactive pairing. Once done, use the TV remote to open settings and navigate directly to the Bluetooth or sound output section. Make sure to keep devices within a few meters and clear of other active Bluetooth devices. This reduces interference, speeds discovery, and ensures the TV will list the accessory for selection. Once the accessory appears, select it. The TV will attempt pairing and may show a PIN prompt, confirm or enter the code if required. If the connection stalls, cancel and reinitiate scanning, because timeouts happen when devices compete. After pairing, the TV should automatically route audio to the Bluetooth device. If it does not, open the sound output or audio device list and manually choose the accessory, because some TVs separate pairing from audio routing. Now finalize by playing content and checking volume and synchronization. If you notice lag, adjust the TV's audio delay or enable any low latency mode on the accessory, because Bluetooth can introduce latency. For occasional dropouts, repair the device or toggle Bluetooth off and on. If pairing repeatedly fails, restart both the TV and accessory, clear previous pairings, and attempt a fresh scan. This simple reset often clears stored content.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.